Hi student, good morning all of you. Today I will just discuss about the table tag available in HTML. So we have discussed different tags available in HTML in the different format of their theories and their syntaxes. Today we will discuss about the tag table tag. Table tag is there. It is useful to draw the table over the web page whenever you create the table format inside the HTML document. First of all, you should have to take the table tag to create the table. We will see the different type of points available inside the table. How can we develop, how can we draw our table as per our need. So we will draw the table in the different manner. There can be the collection of the line and the columns, and the definition of table is intersection of rows and column combining different type of cells in between the table, where we can use any cell inside the table, out of which the topmost cell present at the top side of the table generally useful for taking the headings of each column. So we will see the table tag. So first of all we will read the question. What is table tag? What are the attributes that can be used with table tag? What is table tag? The first definition we should have to discuss that table tag. Table can be created using table and close table. So the table tag can be used in between the table starting tag and table closing tag. A table consists of rows and columns. Table is consist of rows and columns, we have discussed before. The row is to be defined first, and then cells or columns are inserted into the row from left to right. So whenever we want to create the table, then the direction should be starting from the top side. From top side it will be reach up to the right side at the ending of table, and then the next line will be start in the table. So for this we should have to draw a single horizontal line for making the measure of the table. Then whenever we create the first cell, that time we can just take the example of that after creating the first cell. In the table tag generally the different sub tag is there. For example, tr tag will be useful for the row. We can see in the another point. Now it is created using tr tag and tr closing tag, while the cells can be inserted in the row using th close or td close tag. What is the mean of th and td tag? Th tag is the table heading tag that is useful to insert at the top side of cells of the table, and td is the name of the column. But table definition, td means we take our data inside the td, generally taking the data inside td. I will discuss about td th later whenever we create a table in any example. So see the another point. Normally th tag is used just to give the heading or title in the column or row, or both. td is used to display the actual data structure, actual data. So from that two sentences you have cleared about tr, td and th. Tr means to insert a new row, td means to insert the data inside the table, and th means to insert the heading of the table inside the table. For that, we use the th tag at the topmost side of the table. Whenever we create our first row, then to divide the different cells, we use th there. So see the different attributes, their description and its example in the table, in the given table in your textbook. First we will move towards the border. Border is the main attribute. Width is also the attribute. Cell padding is also the attribute. Cell spacing is the attribute. Whenever we want to do some type of changes at a particular location, then we can use such type of attributes. So keep it in mind, student, that these are the main attributes which will be useful inside the HTML table tag. So for that, you should have to take good decision while taking that type of attributes whenever we want to use it in your table. So we will see the border attribute. To give the border, draw an outline around table, row and cell. By default, table has no border. By default, generally table has no border. So we should have to take the border. We can see the example in the example section, example column. We can see table border is equal to 2. Table border is equal to 2. The number 2 displays that the border of the table is related with the number 2. Generally we take 1, 2, 3, 5. We can take what is our necessary, what as per our necessary. So width defines how wide your table will appear across the width of the screen. How wide? The width of the table. So we can take width is equal to 50. Absolute value in pixels. Table width is equal to 80%. Percentage value of the document width. So we can set the table width with the 50 or 80 or number which you want as per your necessary. So see the third number of attribute, cell padding. Cell padding means the distance inside the cell from the inserted data. We can see the diagram. I have already draw a diagram in the cell padding attribute. You can see the character A surrounded by the border. To leave the space from the character to the border of the cell, decide the amount of spacing between each cell border and the actual content of cell. Actual content of cell means A has written there. You can write any number of value or any type of data, text data here inside the cell. But the distance from the cell border to the text is given with the help of cell padding. You can see the example. Cell padding is equal to 2, border is equal to 2. Cell padding means distance from the cell border and the actual content of cell. See the last attribute, cell spacing is there. Cell spacing means the distance between the two cells. There I already draw the diagram of two cells is there. There is some amount of space in between the two cells. So cell can be specified with cell spacing. Table border is equal to 4. The number of the table border is equal to 4. We can give any number there. But the cell spacing is equal to number 4. We can give 1 2 5 6 4, whatever you want, any number you can take there for taking the space between the two cells. So we have discussed table tag today. We will see one example about it, then and then we will clear the other page, the another definitions. So firstly we will see one simple example over the table tag. So see on right now, you can see to your screen there is example. So in that example you can clear that the table is shown at the background screen. You can see the table. I will show you some practicals also whenever we create the practical videos for you. So firstly we will see the theory period. Out of that you can see this example, cricket analysis table is there. So cricket analysis is the name at the top, which can be taken over the web page with the help of caption. You can see in the coding part at the below side of your textbook. So you can see very clearly that inside the body tag there is the table border is equal to 3. So we can take the number 3 in double quote. Then caption tag is there. Caption align is equal to top. Caption tag is available inside the table tag. We will see the description of caption tag after that example. So firstly see the example, what you are understanding from that example. Caption align is equal to top, and due to given the alignment top, we can set the word written inside the caption tag. It will be present, it will be appear at the top side of the table. So see the word cricket analysis is there and it is closed with the tag caption. So due to the caption tag we can set any title for given to the table. So we will see the another page. The coding of the given table has already given here. So after watching, right now you should have to watch over your textbook also. You should look at your textbook while I am explaining this concept. So open the page number 4.20 and 21. That will be helpful for explaining this concept. So we will move towards the next page. So this page gives you the total idea for taking the cells inside the table. So firstly we can see whenever we start the first line of the table, there are the different titles are there: country, played, won and lose. The different country name are at the bottom side, one by one in the different rows. So first, the dark data, the bold type of data we can take with the help of th. Th is the table heading, we can take with the help of th. So tr is the starting of the line. So starting of first line we can see the close tr is there also. In between that there are 4 different columns are there. Due to this we should have to take 4 th will be there, and we should have to write the different title of the table. So we can write country, played, won, lose in between the th tag. You can see in the example at the top. So whenever we will start the second line, at that time we give the new tr. You can see the tr start and tr close. In between that there is the data, the name India, name Australia, name Pak, name Jim, names are in with the different rows. So whenever we start the second row, then there will be first data is the name of the country India is there, the number 30, 23, 7 is there. We can take that type of data inside the tag TD. So start first TD, then take the first data, close first TD. It will close the first cell. Why it is closing the first cell? Whenever we take TH or TD, it will create the first cell. And whenever we have to insert the different rows data, then that time we can insert the data with the help of TH, TR, TD. You can see in the example I have discussed first and second row. Like that you can insert the different rows also with the help of TD. TD is useful for inserting the data and TH is only useful at the top. We can see at the top we can use the TH tag is there for inserting the data in the first row of the different cell of the table. So from that example you have cleared how can we create a table. We will discuss with the practicals also. So in the next video we can get the detailed idea about the table. So we will meet in our next video. Thank you.